going in the house while they repair the antenna. We'll come back out.
Specialist here, you tell me. And which way we're trying to go?
I am turning it. Let's see. I want to bring. We need to get to that one. We need that one up there. So I want to turn it back.
What actual
All right. Well, the first one I want is this one right here. Okay.
So not too much spin on the road.
Shouldn't be.
Whoa!
We good?
Let's take things back into the country.
There's not frozen time.
That's enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, we're good there.
I can hear the vibrations in my rope.
No.
Say what? I can hear.
What can we do? Just put the clamp on this one and that one there. No, just stay there and we'll put the clamp on.
Okay, hold it right there. And stay in the shack. See if there's a clamp on it.
All right, we need a rope, right?
Yeah.
Now there's two of
No,
them
I
here.
think we're good. We can get my belt in now. Gary's looking at it now.
So that he can come out. All right, so what do you do? Just put this. This one may go over here.
I hope you understand that.
Yeah, boy. All right, Brad, if you just want to take the try not to get ahead of you.
Just make sure it doesn't slip.
Take your time, man.
I got a blind. It's heavier than you think.
Keep constant tension on it there.
Yeah, Jake's helping with that.
If we reach that point, where you boys have it.
Careful, careful.
Okay, Bernie, go over that bit.
Gary, lighten that up a little bit.